So what you may have is you may have a bunch of JPG images that you want to go ahead and convert to a PDF file. So for that, you can go ahead and use this tool, ILovePDF.com. So once you go around over here, you can see that JPG to PDF is an option right here. And then if you were to go around over here onto the top, you can see that convert PDF is an option where you have JPG to PDF as an option right here as well. And you can also go ahead and access out that tool from all PDF tool right here and choose JPG to PDF. So if you were to actually go ahead and select this, you can see that this is what you have, and it says convert JPG image to PDFs in seconds. So you can go ahead and select multiple JPG images. You can even bring it out from the cloud drives that you have right here. So you can go ahead and select these out right here, just like this, and then click on open right here. And you can go ahead and click and drag to rearrange the order of it right here. And you can change around the orientation of the page as well to be portrait or landscape as needed. So once you do that, you can go ahead and choose the paper size that you want the image to be in right here. So let me just go ahead and select out A4, and then you can select out the margin level as well. So right now by default, it says no margin, but you can go ahead and select big. You want to add in more images, then you can click on add more files, and then what you can simply do is add in more images as you want right here and place it however you like. Apart from that, you can go ahead and merge all images into one single PDF file, which is what I want to do. But if you want them to be exported out as separate PDF files, you can go ahead and uncheck it out as well. But let me just go ahead and click on merge all images in one PDF file right here. And I'm going to go ahead and click on convert to PDF right here. So once you do that, what happens is that this is what you have. It says the images have been converted to PDF right here. And if you were to go ahead and click on download, this is what you have. So now you can see it like this, multiple pages right here, just like this, with all of the images right here located out right here, just like this, as you can see. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize the JPG to PDF option in ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.